Hi, welcome back to Graphics Mirror with a new graphics video. Today, we are going to create an eye-catching thumbnail. So let's start. Create a page of this size. Add the pic of graph like these. Add these ruler lines. Add these square on both dot sides of graph. Squares on upward dot side for the graph layer. Add the rectangle at center dot of graph with help these lines. Add outer glow to it and make sure rectangle color is white. These hand on it. The link is in description. Add text taking over jobs and make sure its color is white. Text, AI, and make it bigger. Add this clue with color code. Add inner glow to this text. Add this text in white color. Add outer glow to this text. Add these to pics in background. I have taken it from internet. Create clipping mask of both. Do same with second one. above all layers. Add camera raw filter with the dot dimensions. Here our thumbnail is dot design. Subscribe to Graphics Mirror for more lovely graphics. And thanks for watching.